Sawadee Cup, Speed Joe in Pattaya. Down here at Pattaya, South Pattaya Road. Look at the traffic. And there's the Walkabout Creek, the old pub there on the corner. Tony's Gym, third road there. Let's go take a look around. It's 2 p.m, Friday, December the 9th. Look at this traffic. Don't know how far we'll get. Let's have a look. Hope everyone's doing well. Hot again today. Lots been happening in Pattaya. I'll tell you on the way. First thing is, all you tourists now, the police are doing a few checks now and again for your passport and your visa. You're catching a few overstayers. So all you have to do is take a photo on your phone of your ID page and your visa page, and that's no problem. That's acceptable. So you don't have to carry your passport around with you. Look at the traffic. What's going on up here? It's Friday. Maybe everyone's coming into town for the weekend. There's a couple of festivals on. Nothing big that I've heard of. There's the Friendship Supermarket. It's a good little supermarket in there, and stationery supplies. Lots of little shops around here. There's not really any bars. There's coffee shops and bits and pieces. Now if you look on the left just here, Grand Honey 3 Body Massage. That's a huge place. They're going to get busloads in there. It's all designed for big people there. Look at the size of that thing. A few clouds brewing up. We've had a few sunny days. Still a little bit of rain around. And there's Soy Bucao just there. That'll be busy down there today, Friday. Another thing lately is the police are going around closing all the bars at 2 in the morning still. So that's no good for the World Cup. There's the Tukcom building, all your phone, electronic supplies in there. It's a busy little spot. Yeah, so 2 o'clock we all go home and watch the football in our room. There are a few secret places open. I won't say the names, don't want anyone in trouble, and I don't want to get in trouble as well. Just here, there's the one of the old condo blocks there. Excuse me. That's alright. I wasn't on the Terps last night. I think it's called City Centre Residence there. The Asana Hotel's also down there. And next to Domino's Pizza there. And a beauty supply shop. It's always a popular spot for the girls in there. A busy little section here, especially at night. All the food people around. All these shops have got lots of food. Salons everywhere. Busy little spot, isn't it? And be careful when you drive around here. Always have a helmet on. And always watch out between traffic, because people walk around everywhere. Hey, look at that. What's that growing in the street there? Not many buds on it. See what happens here? Good little market in there too. You want your fresh fruits, flowers. Good flower shop there too. Get cheap flowers. There's that condo block there. City centre. Yes! So look, we got a temple fair coming. Christmas and all that happening. They set up the market stalls. South Pattaya Temple, you'll know where we are in a sec. We're down near Walking Street. Pattaya is getting busy. Got the schools there, they all finish at 4 o'clock. Why I came a little bit earlier. Yeah, look at that, beautiful. Hang on, don't hold up the traffic, P. Joe. Get in trouble. And there we are, that's just Walking Street down there. This is the intersection of 2nd Road. Just give you a quick look there. Medicinal weed shops, and get your kebab after you've smoked your weed and you're good to go down a Walking Street. This is where you get the taxi to Jomtien Beach. So you're just here, get in these little taxis, take you to Jomtien Beach and over the hill. A busy little spot, isn't it? Right, they dug this road up too. It's all new drainage under here. Let's have a look at the traffic coming into town, even though we're heading out of town. Because sometimes this road can queue all the way. I mean, you might spend half an hour trying to queue coming into Pattaya, which is ridiculous, even if you're on one of these buses. There's the White Inn. You can walk through one of these soys. Oh, it's just there, down. You walk through there, Soy Diamond there. Walk through there to get to Walking Street. Thought we'd just go around the block here, take a look down Marine Plaza. It's certainly busier, isn't it? The Beverly Hotel, Cherry Hotel, they're all here. Hope your money's going up. Aussie dollar crashed a bit. And there's the VC Hotel. We'll just stop, have a look and go up this Soy Arab. VC Hotel. There's Marine Plaza. You can walk through there to Walking Street. And they call that Soy Arab down there. All the shisha smoking. And we'll go up here, Soy 17. See what's happening up here. Oh, they're all here from the mosque as well. Big hotels around. And during COVID, this place was nothing here. All these shops were just dead. It's like a ghost town. Well, it was a ghost town. There was no one here. There are a few little bars up here. That hotel looks closed. And there's so much stuff still for sale and rent. You can even buy beer bars. They're buying and selling bars like they're going out of fashion. About 31 degrees here. Supposed to be the cool season starting now, but with climate change, you're lucky you don't know what season it is. Oh yeah, that's where all the bars were down there. Crazy Pub and down there. You want to take a quick look while we're here? Something Plaza. I know it's only daytime, 2 PM. Nothing's going to be open, but even at night, whether they're open. Look at that. Crazy Dragon. Check out these places. Looks like a bit of a dump here. I don't think they're really going to be open. La Marina. I'm pretty sure this was a bit of a gay bar area. Don't quote me on that. Double shot bar. Diamond bar. So Euro boys. Winner boy bar. Definitely boy bars. But each to their own. And there was even just here. Was that a little swimming pool in there? It's a swimming pool for the hotel in there. Restaurant swimming pool. You see that there? Don't know the name of that place. I don't have the name up. Ding Dong Hotel, is it up there? Disco lasers. Little more little bars here. But anyway, guys, just want to thank you all for watching. It's going to get busier and busier around here. But stay safe.